Should I buy Ozop Energy Solutions stock? Is Ozop Energy stock a good buy? This stock was brought to attention by one of our viewers, probably a subscriber as well, and we've been able to dig in, and we can see that a lot has happened. First of all, we can see that at some point it had a share price of something more than $70, or at least something close to $70, but it's currently down at roughly 8 cents or thereabout. So let's see whether we can find any piece of news we can. Okay, and it seems that this company, Zeem Solutions, in a joint venture with them. Zeem Solutions is still private. You can see here, this is their profile on PitchBook, but they are registered with the SEC. So you can be registered with the SEC but still private. So this is the case with Zeem Solutions. That's also the case with us. It's Gains for Keeps Limited. We're in a private, we're still private but in the public space. So that's the case with Zeem Solutions. So in order not to deviate, so Zeem has gone into this joint venture with Ozop, and Ozop, at some point they used to make pharmaceutical products. I don't know if they still do that. You can see their profile here says OZOP Surgical, and there's some piece of news here that this is concerning. You may have seen this. It says what happened to OZOP Surgical, and this is describing their merger with the company that actually makes this. The company that actually makes this charging systems. So it's called. It says here, Ozop is pleased to announce that it has completed its acquisition of power conversion technologies. Okay, so because of power conversion technology, Ozop was now in a position to enter this joint venture with Zeem. Zeem, provider of EV services, intends to promote widespread commercial electric vehicle adoption. The company's services include commercial EV fleet customization, lease financing for vehicles and batteries, battery optimization or charging, and more. So we can see down here, of late, you can see last year, because of probably what happened, maybe as a result of their merger, of their acquisition, they had to dilute a lot or something, but for 1 year they are in a minus of 81.06%, but for the last 6 months they are up 801.79%. Last month alone is 1,199.31%. So we just we probably, this is what is going to save them, this acquisition of power conversion technology, PCTI. So you can see what's going on here. You can see there's a total vacuum, nothing here present at all. But yet, there's still a lot going down here. It says here the OZSC appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above 0. So this chart here somewhat paints a better picture of what's going on. Let us see here. So at some point they announced the earnings outcomes came out on the 23rd of the 11th of 23rd of November 2020. So the company has been in business for some time. It's been public for some time, so so this is what's going on. You can see this red one is the 200-day trend line we just mentioned over there. So the momentum for Ozop is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is above 80, the level which many analysts call overbought. So we can see that. You can see its price rate of change here is at 1,135. So inside this price rate of change you find momentum, and then you can see it's also overbought. Yes. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish, the slope of the indicator is positive, and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So the question is, should I buy Ozop? So easily, because amongst other things, we don't exactly know why the stock has collapsed from it's even $300 and some fraction, and down to 8 cents today. We don't exactly have all that picture. We don't exactly know whether it is some very huge amount of dilution that occurred, that resulted in that in the loss of value, because we can also see that it has a share float of you can see 3.264 billion shares. So that could also be one of the reasons why it has added more shares and the price has collapsed. We don't exactly have all that picture, so we'll endeavor to bring that out to you when we find everything. But well, because of its merger with PCTI, it's now in the EV space, EV charging space, and it's now got an innovative company, Zeem Solutions, who has now gone ahead to pitch with them. So let's see, there's somewhere it was written who has gone into this joint venture with them, and they believe that Ozop through PCTI, which is the company he acquired, is in a very good position, is capable of providing them the solutions that they need. So a lot of strong points there, which is this joint venture with Zeem, and then acquiring PCTI. PCTI has also been in business for since 1991, and been supplying the defense sector, and even provides submarine charging capabilities. So easily, I would say, amongst other things, let's put aside what has happened, why this collapse has happened. Let's look at what's going on now. Forget about the past. We are facing the future now. This company has probably tried to reinvent itself. It has gotten a lot of interest. It's done that merger with PCTI. It's in the space everybody is looking at right now. And then the Biden administration is pro green and renewable energy, and most of all, the stock is only at 8 cents. So I say easily, don't stake your house. Nothing more than $100, nothing more than $200, nothing more than anything you can afford to lose. If it goes off, if it disappears, nothing's going to change. Put it there and see how it goes. So easily, normally I wouldn't, amongst other things, I can just say yes, give it a try and see what's going to happen. Don't stake a lot of money, put it there and see. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share if you're already a subscriber. Thank you very much for watching this video.